Within this video tutorial, we're going to be discussing the Zenler Partner Programme badge. Now, as our ever-evolving community here is growing and thriving, more and more members would like the option to promote Zenler. So they would like the ability to enable the Zenler Partner Programme badge on their sites, as well as some would like to disable it. So what we're going to do now is show you the steps of how to do both. So from the site in your admin side, then right at the bottom, you're going to be wanting to go to Partner Program and you're going to be faced with this dashboard. Okay. On the left, we've got the three options: Partner Dashboard, Partner Settings, and Payment Settings. We're going to be wanting to go to Partner Settings. Now here you see right at the bottom, you've got 5 options and we are looking at the Partner Badge. And just to highlight that, it shows a partner badge on your site. Now we have the ability to enable and disable it, on or off. So if we show you with it on, here you'll see on my site, we've got the partner badge here right at the bottom right. Now, if a prospect was to click on that badge, that would be affiliated back to myself. So I, as an affiliate for Zenler, would be earning commission on that sign up. Now, however, if I wanted to turn that off and not having on my site, exactly the same, turn it off, preview, here's my site, and there is no partner badge. So here you have the ability to turn on and off the partner badge based on your affiliate preferences.